Okay, we are now looking at requirement 3, the evaluation of the ability to sell merchandise inventory. So let's go to our spreadsheet, and the first thing we want to look at for requirement 3 is the gross profit percentage, which is the gross profit divided by the net sales revenue. So we will look at that. And what I did here was I put our net sales revenue minus our cost of goods sold. That is how you get gross profit. So you will take your net sales revenue and you will subtract, and that is how you get gross profit. And I just kind of copy those on over so you can see that. And we have 27,000. I'm just checking my numbers real quick. And then we will get our gross profit percentage. Okay, and what you do is you take your gross profit and divide it by your net sales revenue. And we will change this to a percentage. And let's round to the nearest tenth here. So instead of doing that over and over again, I'm just going to copy it. And we get 21.5. As you can see, the gross profit percentage is increasing. The next thing we want to look at is inventory turnover. So the way we calculate that is we take the cost of goods sold and we divide it by the average merchandise inventory. So what we have to do here is we have to get an average here of beginning and ending. Let's see. Remember, you can just add them and divide by 2 if you want to. So I'm going to copy that over. And those are my average inventory. So for my inventory turnover, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the average, the cost of goods sold, which is up here, and divide by my average inventory. And we're going to, this is not a dollar amount here. Let's see. I'm just going to leave that alone. And then I'm going to copy that over. Yeah, that should be fine. So this is our inventory turnover, and then we're going to do our days of sales. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take 365 days in a year, and I'm going to divide by the inventory turnover, and I get 59.38. And this is not days, so let's see if I can just get just a regular number here. So 59.38 will round to the hundredths here. So I'm going to do that with each one, and so you can see here that the days of sales and inventory is going down, which is a good thing, meaning that it's not taking us as long to turn our inventory over to sell it. And we want it in and out very quick. We want to get the inventory in and sell it as quickly as we can. So let's look at our analysis here. After doing those calculations, we can see the gross profit percentage is around 24%, and it has been increasing, which is a good thing. We want profit to go up. And we can also say that inventory turnover has increased over the period examined, which is a positive sign. The company is selling inventory more rapidly. So these are all good signs. We don't want inventory to sit. We want it in and we want to sell it as quickly as possible. The longer it sits, the more money we're losing. So we want to get that inventory in and out as quickly as possible. And that is all for requirement 3.